Hello job seekers! I'm Abigail Legaspi with the latest job vacancies sa Olongapo, sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone at pati na rin sa abroad. Last May 1, 92 workers were hired on the spot sa City Government Job Fair na isinagawa in partnership with SM City Olongapo. Congratulations sa mga nahire at huwag namang mawawala ng pag-asa ang mga hindi pa natanggap. Malay nyo, pinoprocess pa lang ang application. Isa pa, marami pang job vacancies ang ihahatid sa inyo ng Ulat Pangkabuhayan linggo-linggo. Pero bago kayo mag-apply ng trabaho, please complete first the following requirements para agad kayong maisalang sa initial interview. Updated resume with complete attachments composed of the following: 2x2 picture recently taken, photocopy of birth certificate, school diploma or transcript of records, proofs of work experiences, and NBI or police clearance. Top priorities ni Mayor James Bong Gordon Jr. at First Lady Ann Gordon sa HELPS program ang labor and livelihood. Dahil ayon nga kay Mayor Gordon, his goal is to eventually beat unemployment. Kaya naman tuloy-tuloy ang assistance na ibinibigay ng pamahalang lungsod sa mga Olongapeños na nais magtrabaho o magkaroon ng kaalaman sa pagnenegosyo. This might be your chance to get a job or to start and operate your own business. So get your pen and paper ready dahil narito na ang latest job openings at livelihood trainings. For SBMA Labor Center job openings, Autowide International Subic Corporation needs General Office Clerk. Closing date May 9, 2012. Koryo Subic Incorporated is in need of aircon technician and trainee engineer. Closing date May 31, 2012. International Preferred Traders Incorporated is looking for inventory clerk, merchandiser, sales clerk, cashier, and management trainee. Closing date May 15, 2012. Transport Equipment Services Incorporated is in need of estimator purchaser, structural engineer, and mechanical fitters. Closing date May 24, 2012. Southeast Asian Recyclers Incorporated is in need of import-export processor and fashion designer. Closing date May 15, 2012. Yahoo and Uno G Foods Corporation, Jollibee Subic Argonaut needs service crew. Closing date May 31, 2012. IDES Interactive Technologies Incorporated is in need of the following: executive assistant, web programmer, illustrator, and C++ programmer. Closing date May 30, 2012. The Lighthouse Marina Resort is looking for the following position: carpenter, service host, front office supervisor, lifeguard, head chef, aircon technician, kitchen steward, and resort host. Closing date May 11, 2012. Nidex Subic Philippines Corporation is in need of quality control manager, quality control supervisor, production supervisor, engineers to be assigned in production engineering, engineers to be assigned in production, customer service staff, purchasing staff, health and safety officer, and human resource staff. Closing date May 31, 2012. For SBMA Labor Center job openings, interested applicants may submit the requirements at the receiving section of the SBMA Labor Center Subic Gym. Likewise, all applicants are advised to check the Subic Gym bulletin board for the scheduled date and time of examination and interview. Para naman sa mga aplikante sa Public Employment Service Office or PESO Olongapo, maaaring mag-submit ng updated resume with complete attachment sa PESO at the ground floor annex building of the Olongapo City Hall. For Public Employment Service Office job openings, for local employment, Mingo Internation needs office staff. Health Station is in need of the following: health consultants, sales representatives, field caregivers, and accounting graduates. Ocean Adventure is looking for the following position: park guide, food and beverage staff, kitchen staff, front office supervisor, hotel housekeeping, guest service associate, beach guide, sales clerk, and photo operation staff. Sanyo Denki Philippines is in need of leader, HRD assistant, administrative assistant, accounting junior supervisor, SPC assistant, treasury assistant, and pollution control officer. Delta Production Philippines needs fabricators. Watson's Ayala Olongapo is looking for the following: store manager, store supervisors, licensed pharmacist, personal assistant, pharmacy assistant, cashiers, sales clerks, and stock clerks. Conti Group of Companies is in need of the following: internal auditor, aircon technician, driver mechanic, front desk telephone operator, marketing assistant, accounting clerk, purchasing clerk, sales clerk, cashier, executive secretary, electrical engineer, electronic technician, and civil engineer. Hawkeye Subic Corporation is looking for the following: accounting staff, accounting leader, and aircon technician. Urban Ventures Corporation is in need of the following: accounting staff, distributor sales personnel for Subic and Bataan, distributor sales agent for Zambales and Bataan, admin officer, supervisor. Nisera Philippines is looking for the following position: production group leader, quality system officer, facilities and design engineer, product engineer, sales assistant, product planner, and purchasing assistant. Garbus Dixon Goodyear Auto Care is in need of the following: accounting clerk and mechanic. Inspection consultant needs office staff and field engineers. SM Supermarket Olongo Po is looking for the following position: male stock clerk, female cashier, male baggers, female sales clerks, treasury assistant, ads and promo assistant, and customer assistant. Subic Pearl Resort needs hotel supervisor and room attendant. Stilo Salon needs receptionist. Draylin Trading needs office personnel assistant, secretary, and sales clerk. Crisdan Marketing is in need of the following: booking sales representative, field accounts developer, office assistant, HR accounting clerk, and warehouse man. New Happy Valley Superstore is looking for the following: store manager, accounting clerk, computer technician, pharmacist, cashier, driver, inventory audit controller, and marketing manager. Houseland Development is in need of the following: customer relation coordinator, collection coordinator, document coordinator, and marketing representative. General Motors Corporation needs GM Advanced Technician Training. Second Manila INI Capital Corporation urgently needs office assistant. People's Credit Network Finance needs marketing assistant. Vista Marina Hotel and Resort is in need of bartender, kitchen helper, and maintenance. Expression Olongo Po needs HR and administrative assistant. Overguide Subic needs AutoCAD operator. St. Jude Medical Center needs HR supervisor. Jenny Stach is looking for the following: production operator and technicians. Subic Pastime Corporation is in need of the following: field engineer, electrical engineer, site engineer, foreman, carpenters, mason, scaffolders, plumbers, construction workers, welders, and civil engineers. Helping Hands Development Cooperative is in need of the following: machine operator, QA/QC inspector, production operator, electronics technician, mechanic, and engineers. Pandayan Bookstore is looking for the following: cashier and merchandising assistant. Zambales News Today needs sales and marketing personnel. Sol Manpower Agency is in need of the following: food attendants, bartender, bellman, room attendants, front office cashier, front office assistant, kitchen helper, cashier, accounting assistant, electrician, service host, Japanese interpreter, mechanical fitter foreman, mechanical fitter, electrical engineer, and AutoCAD. Chowas for Everything is in need of the following: accounting head, auditor bookkeeper, mechanic, cashier, inventory clerk analyst, account receivables clerk, account payables clerk, company's cashier, IT system head, encoder, hardware maintenance, and human resource assistant. Bay Spa needs manicurist. CMO Manpower Specialist is looking for kitchen helper, server, cook, dishwasher, and promodizer. Bubble Tea needs restaurant supervisor and restaurant manager. Link Asia Outsourcing needs call center agents. Kindlorian Christian School needs pre-LM and elementary teacher. Asia International Auctioneers is in need of the following: accounting staff, sales assistant, janitor, administrative HR supervisor, and receptionist. The Lighthouse Marina Resort is looking for carpenter, painter, stockman, gardener, aircon technician, night duty officer, service host, head chef, lifeguard, and front office supervisor. Power Lane Resources is in need of dining server, cook and kitchen helper, and restaurant manager. Gordon College needs professors and instructors with specialization in English, mathematics, social sciences, philosophy, humanities, computer science, computer technology, accountancy, business administration, tourism, hotel and restaurant management, custom administration, professional education courses, and communication arts. Mang Inasal needs service crew and group manager. So SM Department Store is in need of group manager, selling manager, sales clerk, sales utility clerk, cashier, checking supervisor, checker, customer service supervisor, RDU forwarder, building administration officer, human resource assistant, treasury supervisor, and customer relations service representative. AIE College Olongapo needs hotel and restaurant management instructor. Bipro Equipment and Parts Far East Company is looking for certified public accountant, heavy equipment mechanics, driver. Shakey's Pizza is in need of management trainee, shift manager, and restaurant staff. Sumi Philippines Wiring System Corporation is looking for the following position for Hermosa Bataan: finance manager, production supervisor, logistics supervisor, and accounting staff. Mark & Spencer is in need of management trainees, senior sales consultant, cashiers, and sales consultant. Bicat Incorporated is looking for salon manager, supervisors, senior stylist, junior stylist, manicurist, and issuing clerks. Celine Group of Companies needs sales associate, cashier, and stockman. By the Sea Resort Hotel needs hotel supervisor, management trainee, cook, waiter bartender, and driver maintenance. DataWorks Office Solution is in need of store manager and sales assistant. Asia Pro Cooperative is looking for sous chef, bartender, and service host. Men in Blue Security needs public safety officer for NLEX and Esitex. PhilOm Mart needs truck driver mechanic. Ikabud for SM Olongapo is in need of cashier, waiter waitresses, supervisor, and cook helper. Ample Architect and Engineers is looking for cadet engineers, field engineers, and surveyor. Sushi Core Company is in need of safety practitioner, pollution control officer, lawyer retainer, labor consultant, and seafarer. FBM Gaming Corporation is looking for engineer and technicians. Buchan Global Services is in need of steel fabricator, sales associate, and TIG welder. Meat World International is looking for merchandisers and supervisors. Ajinomoto needs cash and stock custodian. Wild Orchids is in need of the following: front desk clerk, pool attendant, accounting clerk, executive chef, and cook. I Will Communicate is in need of native speakers and English as a second language teachers. Sanyo Denki Philippines needs design engineer. Peel Ecology System is looking for project manager, health and safety engineer, office engineer, project and site engineer, and project accountant. Ocampos Olongapo immediately needs operations manager, accounting supervisor, accounting staff, HR supervisor, delivery drivers, promodizers, cashier, retail supervisor, management trainee, stockman, building maintenance, and housekeeping attendant. Job opening for overseas employment. Oman Field International Manpower Development Corporation in Kuwait and Abu Dhabi, UAE, Hyundai Engineering and Construction urgently in need of piping supervisor, architectural engineers, civil supervisors, QC engineers, scaffolding supervisors, safety officers, piping engineers, document controllers, piping supervisor, form carpenter foreman, rigging supervisor, form carpenters, welding foreman, rebar foreman, rigging foreman, rebar man, piping foreman, scaffolding foreman, civil foreman, scaffolders, drivers, steel fixing foreman, TIG welders, steel fixers, pipe filters, steel fabricators, riggers, concrete workers, scaffolders, CO2 welders, surface grinders, plate welders, carpenters, drivers, common labor, grinders, and signalman. Preliminary interview would be on May 7, 2012 at Olongapo City Public Employment Service Office and on May 8, 2012 at Balanga City Public Employment Service Office. No worries sa mga gustong mag-training dahil pagkatapos ninyong matuto, bibigyan naman kayo ng assistance upang ma-promote ang inyong mga produkto sa Gawanggapo exhibit sa Olongapo City Hall. Kaya inaanyayahan ng lahat na magtungo sa Livelihood and Cooperative Development Office para mag-apply dahil limited slots lang ang available sa bawat training course. Livelihood and Cooperative Development Office schedule of training for the month of May 2012. May 7 to 25, that would be for 15 days, basic massage therapy, 9 to 3 p.m. May 10, basic banking, 9 to 3 p.m. May 11, 18, and 30, digital t-shirt and mug printing, 9 to 12 noon. May 16, basic bag pattern making, 9 to 3 p.m. May 17, cosmetology, basic hair cutting, 9 to 3 p.m. May 22, fish processing, 9 to 3 p.m. May 23 to 25, that would be for 3 days, basic graphic design and website design, 9 to 3 p.m. May 30, fruit and vegetable carving, 9 to 3 p.m. And May 31, sweet and pastries, 9 to 3 p.m. All training materials and trainers' fee are shouldered by the city government in partnership with the Philippine Red Cross or PRC Bagong Bayan, TESDA, and Dole Zambales through the Livelihood and Cooperative Development Office at the Livelihood Training Center, Ohio Street, Calaklan, Olongapo City. A tip to job seekers: your resume represents you. Makikilala kayo ng mga employers sa pamamagitan ng inyong resume. This is your ticket to that dream job. Kaya naman, dapat ay concise information at complete with attachments ang isasubmit ninyo kapag nag-a-apply. Sa pag-a-apply ng trabaho, wear the proper attire at maging confident at honest sa inyong interview. Lagi namang i-observe ang proper ethics sa workplace and always do your best dahil sabi nga ni Mayor Gordon, always fight for excellence. Muli, ito ang inyong kaibigan at kapartner sa job hunting, Abigail Legaspi, na nagsasabing, ilalapit ko sa iyo ang trabaho pero dapat applyan at pagsumikapan mo. Magkita-kita po tayong muli sa susunod na edisyon ng Ulat Pangkabuhayan. See you, friends!